अपील लोगों से मत कीजिए, पीस की अपील पहले अपने आप से कीजिए। पहले अपने आप से पूछिए कि आप कितने सिंसियर हैं पीस के बारे में बात करने की। पीस के बारे में हम लोग बात जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन पहले आपकी तरफ से जो वायलेंस है वो खत्म होनी चाहिए।
I am here because the occupying force that is India works in my name and works in brutalizing and killing people in Kashmir and killing people who do not wish to be a part of this occupying structure. And I'm here in shame and in solidarity.
I'm here because I'm totally horrified and I'm so disturbed, and I want to register my protest as strongly as possible. We just don't, not in our name, please don't attack civilians, don't use the force, the kind of force that you're using indiscriminately with such violent intent, with just the desire to overpower people into submission, and just thinking that what you think is just right, and in the name of this ugly nationalism, I totally I abhor this kind of a thing, and I really want to register my protest.
Today we have gathered here to protest against the unabated civilian killings that are happening in Kashmir. After the killing of Burhan Wani, many students, many people are out on the streets, many youngsters are out on the streets, and the police is indiscriminately firing at them. The CRPF and the police there are indiscriminately firing at them, and the political class, the Indian government, the state government, the central government, they have absolutely no method to deal with this, and are only responding with bullets, which is resulting in more and more civilian casualties, and due to which the situation there is worsening. So Delhi level organizations, many Delhi level organizations and individuals are here, and we are here to register our protest, and tomorrow there will be a protest in Kolkata as well.
I'm not saying whether he was a militant or not, but even militants have human rights. Like every day, anywhere in Haryana, Jats were protesting violently, blocking the road, like destroying the railway track, raping women. Not even a lathi charge was used. Any protest in Kashmir is dealt with the bullet. Last time, in case of a molestation of a girl, people protested. They were shot dead. This time, unarmed people are gathering to mourn a death. You cannot dictate me whose death I should mourn. So, the only solution is Kashmiri people must get right to self-determination. These innocent deaths, the people responsible for these innocent deaths should be charged under Indian Penal Code. You are saying Kashmir is integral part, but you are not treating Kashmiris as your countrymen.
Different people will be opposing the role of Indian state in Kashmir depending upon their own ideology. If one opposes what India is doing in Kashmir, that doesn't necessarily mean that one has to be with other oppositional parties, be it Hizbul, be it other groups, Lashkar-e-Toiba or whatever. I as citizen can still register my protest and not be associated with them.
Armed resistance has always been a mode in which anti-colonial struggles happen, and there are non-violent ways in which Kashmiris are resisting Indian occupation. There are violent ways in which Kashmiris are resisting Indian occupation, and it is not for us to pick and choose and say, oh, we are going to do a silent protest, we are going to hold hands and stuff. But also, more importantly, as part of a country that is continuing to commit war crimes in the valley, we have no standing to say these things.
The solution is to talk. The solution is to recognize people's desires. It's like saying that, a woman says that I want divorce and you say you can't have it because you are married. This is a great structure, Marriage is a great structure. Patriarchy is beautiful. You cannot leave. What absurdity. Now, if we put it in this kind of micro thing, all women will say how absurd. Because the right to take a decision about, what your desires are, what you aspire to as people, how can you think that it's illegitimate? Because you have decided that, India, Kashmir is an integral part of India. It's like the biggest slogan, biggest joke. On what grounds? Not a single person in Kashmir is going to say that, and you are saying that isn't it absurd? It's become fantasy now, of the state. So let's just understand it. This is a fantasy of the state now. It's not real.